What's up, fellas? Average Model Guy here, bringing you part 3, I believe, now of our... No, this is part 4. 3 or 4. I lose track sometimes. But anyways, last episode we go ahead and get our black paint done and our pre-shading done. I'll just spin it around here, kind of show you. Underneath, got our pre-shading done, so we're going to go ahead and get some blue on that. We're going to get our nose painted white, and then we're going to get our tips of our rear fins. They're going to be white as well. I want to get that stuff masked off so we get a nice, good, clear line of that. And then when we get back, she'll have paint on her, and you guys will get to see what kind of the final color she's going to look like. So I will be back when we have that done. One thing I did forget to mention is that I do have this set I got. It's a SU-34 Fullback Paint Set. I'm going to be using this these colors here to achieve the effect I need to underneath. So yep, and then I might use the fog gray to do some of the shading up top, kind of see how that goes. We'll play around with it a little bit. So good thing about it being in black, I can paint over it really easy. So all right, I will be back when we get the paint on this. All right, got first coats of paint on. Gonna have to do some touch-up work on the black. Got a little overspray, obviously, when I was painting it, but she's looking really good. I'm really liking that. I call it duck egg blue. As you can see, there's some of the overspray I got up there, back there. Well, just touch up the black, not a big deal. But yeah, she's looking really good. I like the paint job so far. And yeah, we'll get the black touched up and get a clear coat on it. And then we'll start, I think I'm gonna start the decals first, get those on, and then I'll work on getting the landing gear on, and that should probably do it for this part, or for this build, I'm assuming. Well, I still have all the missiles and stuff, so maybe this won't be the end part. But anyways, I'll go ahead and flip her underneath so you guys can see. Hopefully you can see really good. Got some good shading underneath there. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. Yep, we'll get the nose painted white, and it's not gonna stay. Hold on here. There we go. Get the nose painted white, get the little wingtips there white. Yeah, she's looking really good. I'm really happy with it so far. So, all right, I will be back when we get the rest of that stuff done. Yay, I guess it wants to take off. All right. All right, we're gonna call this one good for now. Got our clear coat on. I went ahead and put the engines on. See underneath, paint job. Got our nose, got our canopy on. I gotta clean off the canopy a little bit. Got some of my fingerprints on it, but yep. All right, we'll call it good for this episode. Next one we'll work on decals, landing gears, and weapons, and then that should be the final part for this one. But yeah, I am pretty happy overall with this kit. It's looking pretty good. No major issues. Really like how my engine nozzles turned out. Kind of zoom in a little bit there. I really like that. The color's really good on it. So see if I can get you a good, decent underbody shot here. Yep. Nice and pretty blue. But yeah, we're gonna call it good for this one. Hey, if you guys enjoyed this episode, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you're not a member of the channel already, if you wouldn't mind hitting that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, and that way you can see when the next episode of this airs. And yeah, we'll see you in the next build, guys. Thanks for watching.